In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Parsec Remote Desktop, so just follow these steps and you'll be connected in no time. Now, the first thing you want to do is download Parsec on your computer, and once it's installed, open it up. Now, if you already have an account, just log in, and if you don't have one, go ahead and create a Parsec account, which only takes a minute. Now, once you're logged in, what you want to do next is go to the Computer section. Now here, you'll see your computer listed, and to allow remote access, just click on Share. Now, once you click Share, a connection link will be automatically copied to your clipboard. Now, what you want to do next is go to your second computer where you want to access this PC from. Now, open Parsec on that second computer. Now, look at the bottom right area where you can paste a link. Now, just paste the shared link you copied earlier and press Join. Now, once you click Join, it will say Waiting to connect. Now, after a few seconds, you'll be automatically connected to your other computer. Now, one thing to note, if you're testing this on the same computer, you may notice lag or glitches, and that's normal because you're connecting a computer to itself. Now, when you use Parsec properly from a different computer, the connection will be smooth and work perfectly. And that's it. That's how you use Parsec Remote Desktop. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.